Hi, my name's Todd, and this is my dooryard. All right, so apparently I'm not smart enough to know how to run a wireless mic. I would really like to gain that knowledge, but yeah, trial and error. So apparently, what I'm trying to tell you here is that we're going to we're going to bust those shoes off of that backing plate, clean them all up, get it ready to reload, paint, all that. I wanted to say that it's currently 27 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 2.778 degrees Celsius. And in a little bit here, in a nod to viewer RJA3266, we will be giving you a walk around on the car. Thank you. Maybe I need somebody smart enough to show me how to use these mics, not keep on screwing them up. That episode the other day where I lost. Oh. Okay. Now that I got the front open, we'll put some light on the subject. I suppose now I'm going to have to credit lighting by Saul. Yeah. All right, so we got a 1965 Ford Thunderbird that is tentatively going to be named Hank. He's never going to be a show car. It's got damage, lots of places. Paint ain't all that spectacular. That's in the paint. So isn't that? There's a big part, it's blistering here. I think this is the original color underneath it. Probably just didn't sand right there very good. I got an idea. It's got the 390 FE engine, the factory power disc brakes. Hopefully we don't have to dig into them too much. Overall, it's a good driver condition car. The bright work is in fair condition. The glass is spectacular. Factory tint. It's got the white interior, white and blue. Door card seems to be complete. The light works. The little opera light in the back works. It's got that cool built-in rear seat. Carpets don't look too bad. Headliner's in surprisingly good condition. My best guess is this vehicle underwent a restoration shortly before it was parked. Look at the dash. It's all very cool looking. And if I can get a shot of it here, that is the odometer. Who knows if that's correct or not? Tough telling, not knowing. Lots of stuff needs love. This is definitely not the correct steering wheel. And there's all kinds of slop in this top bearing. I'm not really getting a good shot to show you here. Maybe you can hear it. But it does have the swing away column, which is apparently a fairly important thing to use. And these damn maple seeds, oh my God, these things they turn up like bad pennies. I keep on cleaning them up, they keep on reappearing. Windows all work. That wing vent over there is something funny going on. I got to get into that after a while. That is not on today's agenda, though. Remote mirror that actually works. How cool is that? Like you couldn't just reach out the window and straighten it out yourself. Doors all closed. She's taking a little damage here. I'll probably get a new script for it. I don't know if I'll try and straighten that out or not. Probably not. I'm just going to run it. Here's kind of an odd thing. I'm pretty sure we're supposed to have a backup light in this rear valance. That doesn't appear to be very well attached either. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's moving quite a bit. I'd clean up these surrounds on this sequential rear directional thing here. This side is definitely not right. It's got kind of a big swoop in right through here. You can see this trunk gap is just huge. Once again, let's get you right like that. Is paint damage, paint damage, paint damage, paint damage, paint damage, paint damage. I think it probably sat underneath a tree for a while. Tough telling. There's a big Bondo bubble right here. There's another big crack in the Bondo here. I got an idea this car got hit in this right rear corner, and this is probably a donor fender off of somebody else. You know, like I say, it's never going to be a show car, but it will be a pretty good daily driver. See, this window is not attached to the inside. I got to get in this door card and figure out what's going on there. The window seals are a little meh. The door seals are something I should probably pay attention to. The vinyl top, I believe, has been replaced. It is very clean, no bubbles, no rips, and we're very happy with that. It ain't often that you see a vinyl top that's in such good condition. Yeah. All right. I wonder what's going on right there. Right there. Can you guys see that? It's not working for me, my reflections. That's weird. Looks like overspray. But I don't know. Whatever. Wheels all turn. Well, wheels did turn when I put it up. Exposing those to weather ain't the best. But we'll tune all that up when we get to it. Like I say, today's project is these shoes. Let me get some stuff set up, and that's where we're going to go. All right. So we got that all painted up and ready to receive the new cleaned shoe package. Yeah, kick that over. That'll teach it. Out here we got all our hardware with the first coat. And I got to flip that all over and give it another squirt. But let's give everybody something decent to look at. Oh yeah. So anyways, okay, so here's where I'm at. I'm kind of running out of daylight for today, and that'll be the end of today's fun. I think I'm going to put another squirt on that, start picking up, and we'll have them shoes all ready to go on for the next time I get a day off, which will probably be coming Sunday. I got 6 days in a row. I gotta do my thing, and then I should have Sunday, Monday, and then Tuesday's Christmas Eve. I'll have Christmas Day off, Maybe I'll do something. I'm sure my day will be full on that day. There won't be no time to play around. But I guess what it really comes down to is, where do you guys think I ought to go next? The laundry list of what needs to happen here is pretty long. The next thing on the brakes is master cylinder and booster kit. ABS out in, I'm not sure exactly where they are. I think they're in Southern California. Says that they build a dual. Pop this open. All right, big 390. All right, so there's my master cylinder and the brake booster behind it. Everybody I talk to says that these are problematic, that even when they're right, they're not much good, which I'm finding kind of concerning. So this guy's building one for, essentially, it's Mustang 2 master cylinder that'll bolt right up. I'd have to replumb down to the distribution block. I'm kind of thinking that's the way I'm going to go, but it's $450 before shipping. So, I'm kind of thinking that should probably be my next direction to go. I also have to do the accelerator pump on that carburetor. On the electrical side, points, condenser. My power steering pump is out of fluid. I need to figure out where that went, solve it, and refill it. I got to change the oil. I got to empty, flush, and refill the coolant system. I should service the transmission. I should service the differential. In here, I got to do an upper column bushing on the interior here. And that's not going to be fun. I kind of think that I should probably do that at the same time I do the brake booster, because that's all kind of in the same neighborhood. I kind of got to get the top half of that column out. I got to pull the steering wheel. That's going to be a lot of grief. I got to fix the latch on that glove box armrest thing. I got to get that door card off and figure out what's going on with that wing vent over on the other side. Rear windows all work. I got this issue going on with the trunk. Maybe that's the next step. I don't know. You guys tell me where we think we ought to go, but I think we're going to pick up and call it a day. And the very next time around, we're going to bang them on there, and we're going to be done with that. That's going to be good enough. But like I say, I'm running out of time today. It ain't going to happen. So until next time. Until next time, I'd like to thank you guys all for watching and sticking with me through this. This is we're just on the leading edge of many months worth of going through this thing to try and make it roadworthy. It will be eventually. I hope, about the same time that the snow's done. Please like, subscribe, click the little bell icon, share, tell your friends, tell your neighbors. I'd like this channel to grow some so that I could, maybe turn it into a little bit of a revenue to offset the cost of this. Yeah. How do I want it? This labor of love. I mean, I'm going to do it anyway, but I'd kind of like it not to cost me, an arm, a leg, and a testicle. If I could get away with just an arm, yeah, that would be the plan. All right. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. This has been an Empty Pockets production.